Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to create superimposed text on a screen, such as captions, subtitles, or scrolling tickers, with essential graphics. Let's begin! Let's start! One of the essential things in YouTube video editing is knowing how to create overlaid text. Let's create text overlay using essential graphics. First, create one text object with the horizontal writing tool. Adjust your design with essential graphics. Be sure to select for the characters, the center and horizontal center buttons. Readability is important in superimposed script. Be sure to adjust the stroke and shadow so the text is easily readable. Next, let's duplicate the subtitle. You can duplicate by dragging and dropping the title clip while holding the Alt key. Select the clip that was duplicated. Let's rewrite the content of the character. Adjust the character spacing and font size to make it easier to see. Like this. You have now created superimposed text using essential graphics. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.